My teammates are K. Vinay, Karthik NM, and Deepak TL. My topic is IPL T20 Introduction. The Indian Premier Language IPL T20 is one of the world's most popular and widely followed cricket language legals, known as the fast-paced matches, international players, and massive fan base within numerous teams, players, matches, and statistics generated every season, managing and organizing data efficiently and efficiently. This project uses the fundamental of database management system concept of to design and manage a database for IPL T20. It demonstrates how structured data storage and relational models and requires operations can be applied to handle the key elements such as teams and players, match schedules and result, player performance and statistics, venue details and thi- thinking and points tables and ranking. The goal is showcase how a well-designed database can be support the managing and the analysis of a large volume of a cricket-related data, ensuring accuracy, acceptability, and integrity. This is not only enhance decision making for the organized, but also improves the experience for fans, analysts, and media. Next part will be continued by Karthik NM.
Hello, Vinay. EA diagram ಹಾಕಲೆ. Today I am going to explain the EA diagram of the IPL database system. To know the relationship between players, team, stadium, performance, matches, and action. The first one is team's entity. Team entity. The purpose of team entity represents a cricket team participating in the tournament. The attributes of the team uh, team entity is team ID, team name, coach, captain, owner. The team ID is a unique identifier for each team, and team name of the team. Example: Mumbai Indians, Chennai, RCB, CSK. And next one is of the coach and captain, name of the captain and owner. And it is the meaning of this table is every team has its own management and leadership. The relationships are stadium participates in matches held at stadium, has multiple players. And next entity is player entity. The purpose of player entity is represent a cricket player who can play for teams and approach in matches. The attribute of players table is player ID, player name, role, nationality, age. The player ID represent unique ID like primary ID assigned to each player. And next full name of the player is attribute name and role. The, the role playing role like batsman, all-rounder, wicket, and nationality, the country of the player being to, and age of the player. The meaning players may change teams or session through action. The relationships are place for. One player can be part of many teams historically. And action participates in auction where teams can bid for them. And next entity is stadium. The purpose of stadium entity is represents a venue where matches are hosted. The attributes are venue ID, venue name, city, state, cap, capacity. And venue ID is primary key of the stadium. And next venue name is the stadium name and city where the stadium is located and state or region and capacity sitting capacity of the stadium. The relationships or matches are held at a stadium. And next, teams participate in matches played in those venue. And next entity is match. The purpose of this entity represent a cricket match in the tournament. The attributes are match ID, date, venue, winner, team ID, points. The match ID is primary key for each match and date, the date on which the match is scheduled, and venue, location of the match, like stadium. And next, team winner team ID indicates which team win the match, and point awarded based on the match outcome. The meaning tracks, it is used to tracks when and where each match was played and the results. Each match involves players from different teams and is held at a particular stadium. The relationships are held at every match is held at a stadium, and performance in players perform in a match, the performance is lagging. And next entity is performance. The, the purpose of performance entity, a weak entity representing the performance statistics of a player in a match. The attributes are performance ID, match ID, balls faced, runs, wicket. The performance ID is primary key for performance entry. And next,